Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Temperatures warming to near 50 as of 10 a.m. this morning. Going to see temperatures in the mid-50s today for highs. We'll see some slightly breezy north to northeasterly winds today, possibly gusting up as high as 17 knots. But overall, no chance of precipitation or lightning today, with winds staying well under the wind advisory criteria. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 12,100 feet, winds out of the north at 26 knots at 1,000 feet, then becoming northwesterly up throughout the column and seeing winds peaking out of the west at 35 knots at 25,000 feet. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area high pressure over the region that's going to continue to provide us with good conditions today into tomorrow. We'll have a weak warm front / boundary across the region for tomorrow evening and late afternoon that could give us a sprinkle or a light rain shower, but otherwise we should stay dry throughout the next few days. So taking a look at our satellite imagery for the current time, you can see we do have a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the region overall. And taking a look at our camera shot, you can see we do have that little bit of cirrus cloudiness in the sky this morning, but overall mostly clear skies, pleasant conditions, and a good weather day across the region. So taking a look at the GFS model, high pressure in control, then that weak boundary kind of sets up along the coast or just off the coast for Wednesday night. Could give us a brief sprinkle. And then for Thursday, we'll see a warm sector of a cold front start to move towards the region, or a warm sector ahead of the cold front, I should say, over the area. And that's going to give us some slightly breezy winds, warm temperatures. And then continuing into Friday, we'll see that front kind of wash out over the region. That'll give us a slight chance of some showers late in the day, but a warm day once again for Friday, well above normal. Saturday, once again, we'll see another boundary move north of the region, cold front to the west. It's going to give us the warm sector and give us some warm conditions once again for the first half of the weekend. And then for Sunday, we should see some cooler weather move through the region with high pressure building in from the northwest. And then for Monday, it looks like we could have a little bit of a pattern change that we've been seeing the last few weeks, with possibly some rainfall for Monday. The GFS model here shows a bit colder air lingering in the western mid-Atlantic region for some snowfall across that region. But overall, right now, looks like a rain event here at Wallops with some cooler temperatures, so kind of a dreary and cooler start to your Monday of next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high of 55, a low tonight around 41 during the evening, and the temperatures rising overnight into the upper 40s by Wednesday at 8 local. We'll see northeasterly winds 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 17 knots today, then east northeasterly to easterly at 7 to 12 knots overnight tonight. Taking a look at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions today, a broken deck around 2,000 feet overnight tonight, and then continuing to rise near 3,500 feet by tomorrow morning with a chance of an overcast ceiling at that height as well. Our tides are slightly below normal, and you can see here green chart across the board today, and a really nice day in store. So Wednesday through Thursday, Wednesday mostly cloudy, overcast, slight chance of brief light rain shower sprinkled in the evening, high of 60. Wednesday night mostly to partly cloudy and mild, slight chance of low clouds and sprinkle overnight, a low of 49. And for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, slightly breezy and mild, a high of 63. See the 20% chances of rain here for Wednesday and Wednesday night. This will be Wednesday late afternoon into the early to overnight hours. So could see a brief sprinkle, not much total precipitation with this, maybe 100th to 200ths of an inch. So looking like not much rainfall and a slight chance of that occurring. So the next 7 days, we'll see mostly sunny skies today, mostly cloudy tomorrow, then partly to mostly cloudy on Thursday. Temperatures moderating into the lower to mid-60s, and then mid-60s for Friday, upper 60s for Saturday, 67 degrees. A slight chance we see some late day showers on Friday with another warm front moving through. And then Saturday, we'll see a cold front sweeping through during the late afternoon hours into the evening hours, and that could give us some rainfall on Saturday. It'll be warm before that cold front moves through. And then for Sunday, looking like colder weather across the region, highs in the mid-40s. And then for Monday, looks like temperatures should moderate some. As I mentioned, have that additional system moving through for Monday of next week, possibly 40% chance of rainfall at this time, under mostly cloudy skies in general for the day. But we'll continue to monitor the weather pattern for early next week. And as far as moving into the Christmas holiday, could see some more unsettled conditions continuing for early next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.